Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm so good. Ayat, thank you. And how are you?
I also fine.
You are also fine. Great. So, how were your vacations? Did you
Yes.
enjoy your vacation?
Yes.
What did you do?
Nani house.
Wow.
I play also with my friends.
Wow, that's awesome. What about the rest of you? What did you all do? Who went Nani house?
My nanny house is Dharavi in 90 feet.
Where is it?
Dharavi 90 feet.
Okay, wow. So you went there? Great. So anybody else went to Nani house or you went out?
Yes, ma'am. My Khala, my Mamu, Mami, and my friends and sister also.
So much fun.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you, Mariam? You look so cute.
Thank you, ma'am. Drawing now.
Yes, we will start drawing. Hello, Khadija. Yes.
Remember, ma'am,
Okay. So, can somebody tell me what do you mean by a lighthouse? Anyone?
Lighthouse is a place where it guides.
Good morning.
Hold it fast.
Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Kabir.
and the lighthouse tells the lighthouse helps the ships to go.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. So you know what used to happen long time ago, when there were no lighthouse. So there were a lot of shipwrecks happening. You know what is a shipwreck? Shipwreck is where the ship go and crash into the boulders and then it would break down and sink. And a lot of people on board the ship would also sink. Okay, so then they decided that they will make a lighthouse so that all the boats and ships are guided and they know that here in this particular area there are rocks, so don't come near. Sometimes when there is a lot of water in the sea, there is high tide, so these rocks are underneath, you cannot see them, so that is why ships are unaware. Yes, Kabir.
Ma'am, I was just saying that.
Yeah, correct. So good, you know what is a lighthouse. Okay, so today we are going to paint a lighthouse. Okay, we are going to make a beautiful lighthouse with sea around it, rocks. Okay, so let's get started. All of you ready with your material? Great. Wow, Kabir, that's a new set of sketch pens. I can see that. Where is my screen? Let me pin my screen. You also.
Ma'am, I forgot it's art class.
Yes, Asma.
I forgot it's art class.
You forgot it's art class. Okay. No problem. Quickly go and get your material. Then we can start. Okay. Now, all of you are going to keep your paper in standing position. Okay. That is vertical. Vertical you have to keep.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you, Rufaida?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to be drawing a lighthouse. Rufeda, you know what is a lighthouse?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, that's awesome. Come on, let's get started. Get your pencil and your paper.
Ma'am, I'm just getting my paper, okay?
Okay, quickly. Now, when you
Ma'am,
keep,
what are we making today?
we are making a lighthouse, Asma. It's going to be a nice, colorful lighthouse. Okay?
I have a no drawing book. I take a paper.
Yes, Ayat, tell me.
I take paper.
Okay. Okay, all of you.
ब्राइटनेस बढ़ाओ
Okay, now let me request one thing to all of you. Please keep yourselves muted unless you want to ask me something, okay? Otherwise, there's lots of disturbance in the background. Okay? Thank you. Now let's get started. So we are going to keep our paper in the standing position. Okay, it's going to be standing, vertical, okay? And now this area, okay, now this on the left hand side, one second, let me just, yeah, now my paper is perfect, right? You can see it properly.
Ma'am, I can't see the paper.
You will have to pin my screen then because I've already pinned it. So pin my screen quickly so you will be able to see it.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. If you've pinned it, that's excellent. Okay.
Ma'am, is your drawing?
Yes, Tawhid?
Easy drawing?
Yes, it's easy drawing. Don't worry. Okay. Now just mute. All of you mute. Okay. Now, first thing which we are going to make here is.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Asma. Yes, Asma.
Look at my pencil.
Oh, wow. That's nice. You made it. Can I see it again? You made this.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's cute. Y'all are so creative. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to
The snowman without your help.
really, Mariam, that's lovely. Did you post it on Google Classroom?
Yes, ma'am. I posted.
Excellent. I have to see it. Okay, I will see it today. Okay, so now I'm going to mute all of you. Just keep muted. Okay. Now we start off with making the base. Okay. Now what is the base? Now base is the rocks. Okay. So we are going to make a few rocks here. So just follow what I'm drawing. Okay. I'm making rocks. Okay. We have to show that there are rocks in the sea.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mariam.
I can see your screen blind.
Right?
Now it's
clear.
proper.
Okay. Yeah, it does keep getting hazy and then it comes back. Okay. So just, yeah, when it's proper, you can see it clearly. Okay.
Again, it's blind, ma'am. Ma'am, it's very blurry.
It's blurry. I don't know what's the problem with this.
Ma'am, it's...
Yes. Hold on, hold on. I'm trying to get it straight.
Ma'am, what are we drawing today?
We are making a lighthouse. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Great. So let's get started. Now the first thing that we are making is the rocks. Okay.
Any material to color it?
Yes, you can use any material to color it. That's fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mifra. How are you?
Not feeling well.
You're not feeling well? Oh,
No.
what happened?
Ma'am, she has cough and cold.
Oh, you have cough and cold. Okay, are you taking your medicines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. That's like a good girl. Okay. Now, have you made rocks up till here?
No, I just joined it.
Okay. I just joined in. Okay, fine. So I'll wait for 2 minutes. Complete this much. This is the base. This is the rocks. Okay. And
Is this drawing class today?
yes, yes, Ibrahim, hello.
I will go to draw.
Yes, we are going to draw. We are
How
going
do
to-
we have to draw that, ma'am?
Hold on, Mifra. One
Ma'am,
second.
how I have drawn? Ma'am, how I have drawn?
Hold on. I will just come to you, Kabir. Where are you? Oh, that's lovely. Very nice. 1 second. Hold on.
Ma'am, can
Very
you
nice.
show
Kabir.
me how to draw?
Yes, Mifra. So, Kabir, you have fine. It's okay. Your page is in the sleeping position. So the lighthouse is going to be long and standing. That is why I wanted you all to make it on vertical, but that's fine. Okay, now Mifra, I'm going to show once more. Just have a look, okay? Pay attention, all of you, so that I don't have to keep repeating. Otherwise, we'll be very slow in our class. Now, Mifra, I'm just making some boulders. Okay, these are rocks. Now, what is a lighthouse? You know what is a lighthouse?
Yes.
Yeah. So a lighthouse is basically to guide the ships and boats that there are rocks in this area and you must.
Ma'am, I also know what's a lighthouse.
Excellent. Very good. So just make some rocks. Okay. Now, once you make these rocks, now this side is going to be the sea. Okay. So just rocks are up till here and the rest is the sea. Now we are going to draw a lighthouse on top of this.
Lighthouse?
Yes,
What
a
is
lighthouse.
What is lighthouse?
Light- Yes, Amna, 1 second. Yeah, that's lovely, Amna. Very nice.
Mama, मुझे scrambled egg दो.
Okay. Now mute yourselves. So Ibrahim, lighthouse is basically now it's a huge, long, elongated kind of house. It looks like a house, but a long house, and it has light in it. It's a bright light in it.
I know.
Yeah,
I saw that already before.
awesome. That's lovely. Okay, yes. Zufaida, 1 second.
Could you show me the first page which you drew the rocks on?
Yes, just a minute, Khadija, I'll show you. Yes, Rufaida, can you show it to me?
Look, ma'am, like this now.
Yes, that's good. Okay. Now, all of you ready? Can I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a minute more.
Blind.
Okay. So Mariam, once you're done, just quickly give a thumbs up. Very good. Asya, that's good. Very good. Great. So just this much portion here is the rocks. Now this part is the sea. Okay. So I'm just making waves here so that you know that this is the sea. Okay. This is going to be the sea. So rocks are up till here. Now this area, we have to draw water. Okay. Because basically lighthouse is present in the sea. Okay. So wherever you see these waves, this is the water.
Sea.
Yes, Mariam?
Next to the sea, ma'am.
Yes. Correct. Okay. Mariam, can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, so this side, now just observe, okay? This is one portion of the lighthouse. Okay, it's a place where now this is a small house kind of structure. Okay, here maybe the person who handles the lighthouse, he might be staying here, or there could be some kind of machines in here. Okay, some things required for the lighthouse. Okay, so let's just make this small area, and then on top of this is going to be the long lighthouse. If you want, you can use a scale to make this. Okay, that's why I asked you all to bring a scale. You can use scale to make this. Okay, once you just make this much, then give me a thumbs up. I will go ahead. Okay. Mariam, just a minute. Let me pin you. Yeah, that's lovely, Mariam. Very nice. Great. 1 second, Amna. Yeah, that's good. So your this, it's a little wavy. So if you want, you can use a scale and make it. Okay. The line is little wavy. Okay. So you can use a scale if you like.
Ma'am.
Yes, Mariam.
Ma'am. Can you please go ahead?
Hold on, Mariam. We waited for you when you didn't finish. Now you have to wait for the others.
Ma'am, my turn.
Oh, lovely. Mariam, that's very nice. Great work. Yes, Asma, just a minute. Let me add you.
Ma'am, my turn.
Yeah. Okay, Asma. Yeah, that's nice, Asma. Very good. Okay. Shall I go ahead now?
Ma'am. Ma'am, look this. Yes.
Yeah, that's lovely. Ayat, very nice.
Breaking, ma'am. The water breaking.
Yes, Amna, I didn't get you.
Camera breaking.
Now can you see it clearly? It's there. Asya, very good. That's lovely. Excellent. Now let me just go ahead. Okay. Okay, now we are going to just make a line here on the top. Okay, this is where on top of this is a place where there is a huge big light which shines.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
can
tell me,
you
Nisha.
wait? I make my drawing little bigger.
Okay, so you can rub it off a little bit.
Not very nicely, but could you check my drawing?
Yes, Khadija, hold on. 1 second.
Is it good enough?
It's very good, Khadija. There's nothing messy about it. Very nice. Good. Just see that, there should be space enough because we have to make a portion where the light is. The light is actually placed over here in this area so that from far away also the ships can see the light. Okay. So if you have made a really long lighthouse, just rub it off on the top. Can you see my paper?
Ma'am,
Okay.
it's not perfect.
Who is that? Mariam? Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Medium Pula.
Yes, Mariam, that's very good. So the line of the lighthouse is a little wavy. So later on, what you can do is just use a scale, okay, and make it straight. Got it?
I'm doing it now. Don't worry.
Okay. Then do it quickly. Otherwise, you can do it later as well.
Ma'am, can I start painting?
No, we still have to complete it. Hold on. Now what is there? The main thing. Okay, now this is the place where the light is. Yes.
I don't understand what.
Just follow me, Asma. You will understand. Just follow what I'm drawing. Okay. So now this is where the light is actually placed. Okay. I will show it once more. It's become a little crooked. So it has to be straight.
That's my maths class.
Okay, there goes. Okay, now we have completed our lighthouse.
Now can we start coloring?
No, hold on, Asma. Now, after you complete this lighthouse, what you have to draw is, you have to draw the beach also, okay? So this much area. Okay, here I'm making the waves to show that this is the sea area. Okay, so this is where you will be painting blue waves. Okay, and this area is the land. Okay, now we just quickly make a sun. Okay, we have to complete the entire scenery, right? You must never leave your work incomplete. So let's make a sun here. Okay. And some clouds. Okay. And one more thing. Now, after you draw the sun and the clouds, just draw randomly the rays of the sun, okay? So when you paint the whole picture, it will look very pretty.
Ma'am, I put water on it, so when I color, it will, the colors will blend together.
Okay, you're using watercolors.
No, I put water on the paper, and then when I put the paint, the paints are gonna
Okay,
blend
I got
together.
it. I got it. Okay, now this portion of the lighthouse, we have to make bricks, okay? So just show some bricks over here. Now here there is a window.
I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am, it looks like Rapunzel's tower.
Yeah, correct. We can actually make a fairy tale some other time, okay? With your favorite character and the scene around it. Okay. Complete, all of you. Now we can start coloring it. Now once you've completed, we can start coloring it as well. So,
Ma'am, I'm gonna make it sunset.
okay, Ayat, just a minute. Let me see your drawing. Wow, that's lovely, Ayat. Very well done. See, even on a ruled paper, it looks so beautiful. Very good. Great work.
Move your hand.
Okay.
Ma'am, see my colors.
Who is that? Tawhid, 1 second. Let me see. 1 second.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good, Tawhid. That's lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Who else is showing me?
Ma'am, can I see?
Asia. Wow, that's lovely, Asia.
Ma'am, how I have made
Very nice. Very nice.
Mariam.
Hold on. Kabir, hold on. Hold on. I'll come to you also, Mariam. Wait. Okay, that's lovely. You're using pencil colors. Just a minute, Kabir. I want to see yours. Can you show it once more?
Teacher,
Very-
see.
Yes, Amna, that's lovely. Kabir, where are you?
If I don't draw the sun, please.
पेंटिंग कैसे करो सन भी बना देते टीचर
Yes.
this is nice drawing. It's a friend. But
Can I see it? Can I see that?
जो टीचर वाला
Can I
है ना
see it?
लाइन पर वो वाला
Okay, why is Kabir? I can't see Kabir. Oh, that's lovely. So nice.
These are my friends.
These are your friends. Wow.
This is Color Fear. Mariam and Inaya, Isa, me, Arian, Karija. These are my friends. I like them. This is the lighthouse. This is the waves. And those are for somebody practice. They practice to swim on the waves. Do like that.
Very
And
nicely
then-
done.
And this is my lighthouse. This is a tree house. And this is
That's-
sand and this is the water.
Excellent.
Also.
Ibrahim, that's fantastic. Will you post this for me on Google Classroom, please? You can ask. Yeah, yes, please post it. Okay, that's a lovely drawing. Beautiful. Okay. Now, hold on, all of you mute. Okay, now Kabir, I don't know where your screen has disappeared. I'm not able to see you. Yes, there you are. Can you please show me? Wow, lovely Kabir. Excellent. Oh, lovely. You have drawn waves also. I love that. That's so creative. Very nice, Kabir. Excellent. Go ahead and paint it now, okay? Now you can paint your drawing. So painting, I want you all to do.
Ma'am, I played sunset 2 times already, so I'm very graphic.
You're very good at it. Great. You're good at other drawing also, Asma. Very good you are. Okay. So now the water here is going to be blue. Okay. So make the water blue. And the rocks will be on the bottom here. You have to make them brown. The bottom rocks, you make them brown. Okay. And these ones, you have a little bit of green on it. Okay. Just to show that there is grass also around it growing. Okay. A little bit of green on the top of the this rocks. Yes, Amna.
What color?
What? Rocks, I said, rocks I need make brown. Okay, the bottom rocks, you can make them brown. Okay, different shades of brown. So one could be a little dark, one could be a little light to show the variations. Okay, I'll just...
टीचर का निकालो अभी देखो आ रहा है धीरे धीरे रुक जाओ इधर का पेज कौन सा है टाइटल ज्यादातर व्हाइट और रेड ही रहता है
Okay, so now, can you hear me now, all of you? So white, the lighthouse mostly is white. White, the entire building will be white. There will be a few red stripes here and there. Okay, this area will be red. The triangle portion is red.
Is it all brown?
Okay, no problem. It's up to you. I'm just telling you that this is basically what you see when you see a lighthouse. And then this area, this is where the light is. So you have to make it bright yellow. Make it bright yellow, and these stripes, these grills, you can make them black later. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next up,
from where the light comes?
the light is in this area. This is the area where there is a light which goes round and round, so that in the entire direction, all the direction, the light can spread. Okay. And it is, you have to make this area yellow to show that there is light in here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to paint along with y'all. This is just to show you so that you can start painting. And beyond this,
See.
yes, Khadija, hold on.
Ma'am, I'm using
Wow.
crayons.
Very nice. Lovely, Khadija. Beautifully done.
Okay.
But how can I make the light?
So light, you have to make it yellow. Use a yellow color.
Ma'am,
Hello. Who's that? Okay, so now the coloring of the lighthouse and the rocks and the sea, the sun, clouds, I want you all to do it at home and then show it to me. You will have to post it on Google Classroom, okay? So I showed you all.
ma'am,
basic-
I am ready to color. Ma'am,
Yes,
watercolor.
you can use whichever color you want. Okay,
Watercolor, ma'am.
yes, you can use watercolors and use
Ma'am, colorful. Ma'am, can I leave?
Who is that? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am, I completed.
No, let me see your drawing, painting.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, did you see the rocks? I colored it.
Oh, Asma, that's nice.
Ma'am, very colorful.
Yeah, you have to make it nice and colorful, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, who is that?
Misra.
Tell me, Mifra.
I colored the rock also like. Ma'am, can I leave?
Okay, Asma.
Ma'am, it is Rufeda.
Yes, Rufaida, can you show me your artwork before leaving?
Yes, ma'am. I just color little bit.
Okay. I want you to complete it, okay? Yeah, very
Okay,
nice.
I will
That's-
complete it, ma'am, in home.
Okay. So next week, I want to see your entire
Yes, ma'am.
lighthouse painting, okay? So you can
Yes.
show it to me in the class, post it on Google Classroom.
Yes.
Okay, so after you make the water, the rocks have to be brown and green. So somewhere there is brown, somewhere you can add green color.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now, can I leave?
Yes, Asma.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Teacher,
Yes, Ibrahim.
can I leave?
Yes, sure. But please post your artwork, okay? That's a beautiful work. Post your artwork on Google Classroom, okay, Ibrahim?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Have you completed?
Ma'am.
Can I have a look at it? Yes. Who was that? Me means Ayat. Okay, 1 second. Let me see. Wow, very nice. You have to still complete it, Ayat. Okay, will you complete it?
Yes, ma'am. I want to breakfast also.
Okay, see you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Bye.
Bye.
Pepsi.
Yes, anyone?
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Asya, just a minute. Wow, that's lovely. Very nice, Asya. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so all know what to do, right? Will you do it? Will you complete your work by next week?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. Yes, you may leave. Okay, so now tell me, all of you, will you be able to complete this?
Ma'am, some of us may not have completed it, so could you post your
Ma'am, my drawing is done, ma'am.
Yes.
My drawing is done.
I will. Yes, surely I will do that. Okay. Okay, just a minute.
Ma'am, my
Tawhid.
drawing is done.
Yeah, just a minute. Kabir, I'll come to you. Just let me see Tawhid's. Yes, Tawhid. I can see only a red. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. You can complete it. Okay. Just complete the whole thing. Paint it up. Yes, Kabir, that's lovely. Very nice, Kabir.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. Now I'm going to end the class. Okay. So bye all of you. I will post
Bye,
this
ma'am.
picture. Yes. Bye-bye. And then you can maybe see it and complete it. Okay. Bye, all of you.
Google Classroom. I don't have WhatsApp on my computer.
I will share it on Google Classroom only. Don't worry. Okay. So that's where I want you all to post all your pictures. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a great day.